Hi! Today we'll be unboxing 100% convection Typhoon Roaster 5 kilograms. The roaster comes in a box with dimensions 1200, 2100 and 2300 millimeters. Once the box has been placed in the location where the roaster is to be installed, unpacking begins. You will need following tools: cordless screwdriver, socket wrench, socket heads 19, 24 and 32, two wrenches size 10. Let's remove the panels. Unscrew top bolts from the cyclone side of the box. Remove the rear frame. Let's remove the box frame. To do this, you need to unscrew these corner bolts. Ask someone to prevent the frame from falling during unscrewing. Cut the packaging. Unscrew the bottom bolts from the front side and from the rear side. Lift the roaster with pallet jack. Remove the metal rings from the front side and from the rear side. Replace the bolts with fits. They are included in the kit. Setting up the roaster by lowering the pallet jack. To set the level, adjust the feet. For checking result, place the ruler to the roasting chamber. The roaster is set. Let's take a look at the kit. Cyclone sealing. Thermocouples, spare glasses, LAN cable, probe spoon, ruler, cyclone lockers, electrical cabinet keys, roasting chamber divider, power socket, and the spare electrical heaters. Connect the roaster ventilation according to manual. You need two pipes with diameter of 101.3 mm. They must be insulated and have a tap for drainage of condensate. The pipes must not cross each other. Plug the roaster in. You must have 308 volts 3-phase socket, 22 kilowatts, 38 amps. Check the phasing. Please do that with our specialists. The roaster is ready. Can't wait to hear the clean energy of hot air rush into roasting chamber.